where the hell the cell is. Cell is right the hell above it.
She's alright. She's been through worse than this out here.
Either almost there right now. Your mom ain't gonna come out here. Huh? What we're doing right now is extremely dangerous.
And that's why we wanted you to stay in the house.
Just by you standing next to his truck, he can get electrocuted.
I got it!
Did you get a bolt?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's fine.
So I said look through the kitchen window.
Here. You got your shoes on?
Yeah.
Here. Staying right in this dark patch right in front of Cindy.
The bud pedal.
Right here?
Yeah, this is just about past.
Huh?
This is just about past. Till next one.
Yeah, this is heading in town.
It's already past Millville. Right, wasn't it?
That lit it up.
And let there be light.
Damn.
Got it.
I got it
Oh, you
too.
got that?
I got that too.
We were just aiming like this.
Excuse me. I got that.
Oh, you gotta get the bolts. Those are what the good ones are.
Right here, right?
Mm-hmm. No,
Oh, I
bolts.
just saw the cloud.
That was where the bugs.
Look at that cloud.
Yeah.
I guess I might go.
And I think I got it too.
I give a fuck.
You don't have a flash on it, that's why.
Oh, that was a nice one.
That wasn't.
Huh?
That was just sheet lightning. We want the bolts. The thunderbolt.
Ooh. That was nice and bright.
Yeah. Oh, that one was red. That one was red.
That thing. Ooh, did that.
Yeah.
Yep, God.
That was red.
That was red. Yeah.
That means there's heat in it. That's pure electricity.
Trying to get this cloud every time it lightens up because it looks weird.
What one? That
Oh,
one?
that was red.
Yeah, it actually looks like something hanging from it.
No, it's just a long solar cloud.
Nice one.
Right,